Chosen one. There is an abrupt change taking place within you, and you may not even be aware of it yet. This change either leads to mediocrity, which results in suffering, while the other is that of expansion and achieving greatness in your life. Which way would you choose? Before you answer, you must first ask yourself, am I genuinely prepared for a profound and radical transformation? The planet is undergoing a significant energy shift, transitioning from a denser state to a more subtle state of vibration. This shift, understood as a change in dimensions, involves states of consciousness vibrating within specific frequency ranges. Currently, Earth is in the third dimension, characterized by selfishness, separation, competition, and duality. The shift is increasing the planet's grid frequency, enabling a transition to the fifth dimension, characterized by love, compassion, unity, and brotherhood. As the planet and collective consciousness shift from 3D to 5D, a dramatic transformation is required, especially for those chosen to lead this transition. This involves changing from carbon-based bodies to crystalline-based bodies. Our current 3D bodies cannot support the higher frequencies of the intensifying Earth's vibration. Crystalline bodies, resonating at higher 5D frequencies, are lighter, more agile, and capable of conducting more light energy. This transformation is both physical and spiritual, aligning our bodies with higher frequencies of energy and consciousness, increasing our vibrational energy, and deepening our connection to the universe. The symptoms of this change are diverse, including intense tiredness, inexplicable sadness, and deep questioning of life choices. These symptoms indicate that the body is adjusting and synchronizing with the crystalline energies essential for our evolution on the new Earth. Transitioning to a crystalline form is a vital stage of ascension, allowing us to fully embody 5D energies and thrive in a higher state of consciousness. As the gifts of the crystalline body emerge, old limitations fall away. To assist in this transformation, it's essential to be aware of the process and raise your vibration. By doing so, you will find it easier to assimilate these new energies into your physical body. Individuals undergoing this change may experience various signs and symptoms as their bodies adapt. Extreme tiredness and fatigue are common, with many waking up feeling as if they've been working all night or experiencing sudden waves of sleepiness during the day. It is advised not to fight the urge to sleep. Many are called to work in the spiritual realm at night, and the tiredness upon waking is due to intense spiritual work with mentors. Physical body bears the brunt of this energetic wear and tear, resulting in exhaustion. There is much work to be done on the spiritual plane, and few are available to help. The drowsiness is a summons to this important work. Rest, drink plenty of water, eat healthily, and get morning sunlight for vitamin D to have more energy during the day and improve sleep patterns. Mood swings and emotional fluctuations are also common due to the cleansing taking place in our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies. This cleansing process brings out repressed shadows, revealing issues that need attention for healing. Instead of denying or repressing emotions, try to understand their messages. More self-acceptance and compassion are needed during this time. Alternative therapies such as Reiki, Theta healing, access bars, flower therapy, aromatherapy, and chromotherapy can help promote emotional field cleansing and harmonization. Those on the path of spiritual awakening may frequently experience ringing in the ears due to the development of the pineal gland, which contains quartz crystal for transmitting and receiving vibrational frequencies. This indicates an increase in frequencies reaching you and can manifest as noises or beeps varying in pitch. It can also indicate communication with disembodied spirits or extraterrestrial beings. Ringing in the ears is a common symptom of the planetary transition. Energetic recalibration and adjustment are aligning our physical bodies with the Earth's new frequency. During this transition, many have reported unusual visual phenomena, such as seeing strange colors or images, indicating new energies arriving on the planet. These energies enhance the five senses, significantly increasing extrasensory sensitivity, also known as clairvoyance, allowing perception of spiritual dimensions in people's auras. Awakening clairvoyance can result in blurred vision or seeing shiny objects, glowing particles, or white shapes in peripheral vision. These are signs of increased sensitivity to reality. Be patient and understand that this is part of the transformation process. Changes in diet are common, with many adopting vegetarianism or veganism as their bodies recalibrate to the new energy level, preferring high vibration foods like organic vegetables over industrialized foods. This dietary transition facilitates the assimilation of new energies and detoxifies the system. Digestive problems are also prevalent, indicating the body's method of expelling toxins and old energies. leading the transition to a crystalline form. Pay attention to body signals and modify your diet to support this process, choosing lighter, nutrient-rich foods, aligning with higher vibrational needs. During the transition to a crystalline body, you may find it difficult to concentrate and stay focused. This lack of focus is part of the transformation process as the body integrates higher frequencies and more light. The brain is learning to operate at a heightened level of awareness, temporarily disrupting usual cognitive functions, which may feel like a mental fog. Some report accessing future events in their sleep, indicating a kind of interweaving of realities. Increased emotional intensity and sensitivity during this period can facilitate deeper connections, but require careful management of emotional boundaries. Long-buried emotions and unresolved past traumas may surface for recognition and release. Intuitive and psychic faculties may increase, with waking up between 3:15 and 3:30 in the morning, due to anchoring immense energy and updating DNA. Capturing more daylight helps adjust frequencies in the physical body. Many unaware of this information may rely on medication to relieve symptoms, but it's essential to remain calm and know these symptoms are temporary, indicating complete transformation. Don't resist these changes. Let the cleansing process unfold naturally. Allow yourself time. Practice patience and compassion as you adjust to new energies. The more balanced and harmonized you are internally, the less physical discomfort you will feel. These energies will intensify over the years. Those not physically prepared will struggle to withstand the energetic impact. Decide how much dedication, study, and personal transformation you are willing to undertake. Start today to heal and clear old patterns, beliefs, blocks, traumas, and negative emotions. Inner transformation is an individual process, not collective. Be your own savior and the change you want to see in the world. Those destined to awaken will do so. It is not your duty to awaken them, but to initiate change within yourself. May your unique path be illuminated with love, light, and infinite possibilities. You are destined for greatness. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to watch the next video.